2025 Prelim ACSJ Junior Paper 1 Booklet B. Question 24. The pie chart represents the type of sports the primary 6 students like. The number of students who like bowling is the same as those who like cycling. Bowling, cycling, the same. What is the percentage of students who like bowling? Now the whole pie represents 100%. Let's take away rugby, which is 28%. Take away basketball, which is 32%. Okay, and this will be for cycling and bowling, which are the same. So let's divide this by 2. And that will give us 20%. Okay, this is our answer for part A, 20%. There were 10 more students who like basketball than rugby. 10 more students who like basketball than rugby. Basketball, we know, is 32%. Rugby is 28%. Okay, what's the difference? The difference, 32% minus 28%, that's 4%. And 4% represents 10 students. Okay, to find the total number of students, we need to find 100%. So 1% will be 10 over 4. 100%, we have to take 10 over 4 times 100. Okay, cancel. 100 divided by 4, 25. That will give us 250. So our answer for part B, 250 students.